Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to go live on Instagram. So if you want to go live on Instagram, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to go live on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Click on the plus icon. Now swipe through onto get to live. Then position your camera, whether you want to use the front facing camera or you want to use the back camera by using this camera rotation. You see that? So come down to where you say share with everyone, click on it, and then choose who you want to share your live with. So if you want to practice live, select practice. So when you go live, no one of your followers is going to be notified. And if you want to share your live with only close friends, select close friends. And again, if you want to make your live public, this is going to be shared with everyone. Click on everyone. For the sake of this video, let's go with private. Then go ahead and click on the shutter button once. Then you should see the countdown. After that, you should see checking network connection. Then you should see that you are now live on Instagram. To close, click on the close button at top right. Then you should say end your live video. Then end now. You should say view insight, discard video or save video. If you want to go live with people, let's say you go live with people and everyone is able to see while you are live, that you are live now, then you should say live at the top here. That shows you are live on Instagram. Once you're done, you can just close this, or better still, click on mic to disable or turn on mic. Click on the camera icon. You should say we are telling your followers that you've started the live video. Disable the camera icon, and then that is it. Flip camera on live, click on that, then you'll be able to flip the live camera. And once you're done, click on the close button at top right. Then you should say if you end your live, to also end for all your viewers. Click on end now. Then you should say view insight and then discard video. You can also share this on your page. So discard the video and then you're good. So that's exactly how to go live on Instagram. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.